firing up the Weber kettle. Look at that. B&B Charcoal briquettes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. I want to have an easy day today, so let's bring out the Weber Rotisserie. Look at that. Let's get it on the Weber. Let's get to cooking. Just look at that. Look at that chicken turn. Alright, I'm gonna let it go and just relax, take it easy, and let that Weber rotisserie do its job. So I'll bring you back. Looks like we're sitting at around 310. That Weber. You know what? Let's take a look at that Yardbird. Oh yeah. Looking pretty good, huh? Look at it spin. Yeah. Looking pretty good, huh? With that Baker's barbecue rub. Obviously it's not done yet, but looking pretty good, pretty good. Briquettes still going strong. Look at that. It is beautiful. Man, tell you what though, it does smell good. Alright, let's close it up and continue on. Alright, I didn't close the top and bottom vents. I mean, it was at 300, but you know, I'm trying to be out here and enjoy my time, so I closed them down just a bit just to drop the temp. It's still above 250, so let's check it. Oh yeah, look at that, just spinning, and it smells good. We're getting there, we're getting there. We sure are. And wait a few, and then I'm gonna see where you know, turn up temperature is at, but it's looking pretty good. Look at that close up of it. Just spinning. And then B&B, and I have not added any briquettes to it. Nope, same ones. So you can see how well the B&B briquettes are. Because normally, I'll be honest, when I'm using the Kingsford charcoal briquettes, it's just the same way setup it is right now, with the charcoal baskets on opposite sides like this and a water pan. I'll have to add, you know, briquettes on each charcoal basket, but look at that, still not even all hashed over white. So that's pretty good, huh? So if you know you're getting to barbecue and you buy this rotisserie set up for the Weber, you know, get that B&B. But let's close it up and let's head to the finish line. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at the way it looks when you're in Texas. Beautiful. Look at that. It's been a good day just being out here barbecuing. Look at that. Look at that view. All right, close to 300. So what, 290? And that temp gauge did not come with the rotisserie Weber kit right here. It did not. I bought it off of actually Walmart. You get it off Amazon also, but this temp gauge belongs to another Weber product. I think it was like a gas grill, I believe. I'm not too sure. I want to say it was a gas because I bought that maybe 2 years ago when I bought it. And so because I was like, you know, I just want to at least know what the temp is in there, you know. And I want to say this does help, and it's Weber, so you know, go with it, the motor. But look at that, beautiful. Let's see. Oh yeah, folks, do you think it's done? I think it is. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that baker's rub gives it a nice color, don't you think? Look at the coals. Still the same coals. So if you do get this rotisserie kit from Weber, just go with the B&B briquettes. Don't even mess with the Kingsford. I mean, like I said, I probably would have at least twice already had to apply more briquettes. It's done pretty good. Just look at that close-up shot. All right, this is what you're here for, right? To see the food, right? So I'll give you that close-up shot. Look at that. So it's all about just out here having a good time, just cooking. There's the motor. See, the sun's starting to go down here in Texas. Texas skies are, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. But I think this is it. It's ready to come off. Wish I had more food to cook the way the briquettes are going. Look at that. Just look at that. All right. Get some pork tenderloin. I mean, put a point of a brisket on there, right? The way these briquettes are going. But I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna eat it. So this is Moe at Moe's Black Gold Barbecue. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you've liked the way this video is and seeing the yard burn just spin. As always, folks, smoke on, everyone. Alright, cook's done, but let's check what it looks inside. Let's get some light. Yep, I'm telling you, look at those briquettes. I mean, you just feel the heat. Yeah, B&B can't beat that. I'm telling you, I did not even have to add any briquettes. But with Kingsford, yeah, you know, I probably would have at least add twice to this cook. But B&B, look at that, and it's still hot. I mean, I have the camera above it, and I can just feel it. So yeah, so if you get the rotisserie Weber, get you that B&B, however you want to set it up. You know, I have it set up with the Weber charcoal baskets with the water pan. You know, that helps with the moisture and also helps to collect all the drippings, as you can see. So yeah, works out pretty good, huh? It's been a good day, good relaxing day, just chilling out, you know, barbecue. That's what it's all about, just hanging out, relaxing.